Good morning, everyone. This is Pony. Recently, a new wave of COVID-19 cases occurred in my city. So in order to guarantee the employees' safety, it is suggested by our company to do the COVID-19 testing kits twice one day. So here I'm shooting this video to record my testing. What I use today is directly manufactured by our company. Here you can see the case components. Okay, now I'm starting my testing.
等一下，
Yeah, you see, there is only one red line appears in the control region, so it shows that today I'm still healthy. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Please be safe all the time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.